There is no specific code requirement in the National Electrical Code for the abandonment of non-metallic sheathed cable that is enclosed in wall and ceiling spaces. However, it is generally recommended to remove abandoned cable to avoid potential electrical hazards or confusion during future renovations. National Electrical Code Section 300.15(1)(b) requires that all abandoned cables be properly terminated to prevent the spread of fire. If the abandoned non-metallic sheathed cable is cut, the end should be capped with approved wire connectors. If the cable is disconnected, the end should be sealed with electrical tape or shrink tubing. Abandoned cables should be labeled clearly with tags or markers to indicate that they are no longer in use. This will help prevent confusion during future inspections or renovations. Any loose ends of abandoned cables should be secured to prevent them from becoming a tripping hazard or interfering with other wires. Always consult with a qualified electrician before abandoning or removing any electrical cable. Local building codes may have specific requirements for the abandonment of electrical cables. If the non-metallic sheathed cable is installed in an insulated space, such as a wall cavity or ceiling, it may not need to be removed if it is abandoned. However, it is still recommended to terminate and identify the cable for safety purposes. This is a guide to provide clarity on the matter. It is recommended to seek a professional for advice.